Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse of Goldhouse Gourmet, and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for cornbread dip. For this dish, I took my much-loved recipe for cornbread and transformed it into a dip. To begin, in a skillet, toast 1 cup of dry quinoa for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover, and cook for about 18 to 20 minutes. The quinoa is done when it appears fluffy and each piece has a curly tail. In a food processor, combine 1 cup of cornmeal, 1½ cups of white beans, such as cannellini or navy beans, 1 cup of non-dairy milk, 3 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. Blend until smooth. Next, add in 1 cup of sweet corn and the quinoa and pulse till the mixture is smoother but still retains a grainy quality. Not only is this recipe delicious and high in protein, it's also oil-free, making it heart healthy, and gluten-free so everyone can enjoy it.